What's up, everybody? I'm here today with my buddy Frankie and his Xterra, and we've got this brand new OpenRoad off-road 12-volt 13,000 pound winch. Pretty good, sort of a budget option for a winch. It comes with wireless remote, synthetic winch line, says it's all waterproof. Should be pretty straightforward. So we're gonna get into it. We'll start with a little unboxing. So we got a sticker, instruction manual. In case you're completely disassembled. We'll put on there. I mean, it's like a pawpaw hat.
Yeah.
There's a hat here. That's a first. Got the simplest remote, and there's two of them. Alright, fair lead. We're going to use a 17 on the back and an 8mm on the head. Now when you're doing these, make sure you're aware this is stainless steel hardware. You will over tighten it and strip it, so be mindful. Okay, I just wanted to document this because I mistakenly thought this was mistaken. So it says this way to engage, this way to disengage. I thought it was disengaged, engaged, so I put a dot on here, but you don't need that. If it is locked in place, whichever way, it is engaged. To disengage, you pull this up and put it in the middle, and then you're in free spool. Locked, engaged. All right, so to test this, instead of going out and like faking getting the truck stuck somewhere, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here. You may have seen it in some of our other videos where the hill that we use to pull our winch lines tight after we unspool it. So we're gonna go down here, we're gonna unspool this line completely, well, almost completely, and then we're gonna pull it up the hill by its own weight with the winch. I mean, that's, in my mind, the closest you can get to testing this properly without finding some random mud hole and getting it stuck. So let's go do that. At the end of the day, this seems like a super reliable winch with a lot of features and some great accessories for a good price. Obviously, we haven't tested this, so what we're going to do is we're going to come back in 6 to 8 months after some use and do another follow-up review on this winch. Let us know what you think, and if you enjoy what we're doing, make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow along. We'll see you on the trails.